Hi, I want to show you an app I have created for viewing QRF files, and this is my website. I will leave it in the description. To load file, I double click on download button and open downloaded archive, double click on MSI, click on more info, run anyway, next, install. Then double click on QRF, select input file, and I have so this is like short quicken file. It shows content of the file, and I can export it and to different formats, as Word document, page, and also I can select another file. I think this one is bigger. Yeah. And yep, so it's just a viewer showing content of a quicken file and allowing it to export in common different formats. Basically that's it. Please give it a try and let me know if it works for you. Thank you.